Hello and welcome. This is a quick demonstration of what you'll see once you have enrolled in the CHRMP program. There are 3 parts to the CHRMP certification process. The first part is your registration and enrollment. The second part is when you'll work through the learning resources that are provided and complete the full curriculum. And the third part is where you'll sit your examination, either at a Pearson VUE test center or in the comfort of your own home through web proctoring. After you have completed the first step and enrolled, what happens? Visit academy.chrmp.com and click Sign In. Enter your login details. Logging in will take you to your dashboard. Here, you can find courses, discussion forums, social groups, and activities. The dashboard is a place you can quickly access the mentioned features. On scrolling down, you will also see updates, activities, and the other members of our HR community. These are also quick access sections for these parts of the Academy. Let us explore the certifications first. The Certification tab on top of the page will direct you to a page where you can view all the certifications we offer. On clicking Enroll Now, under any certification, you can learn more about the certification and also register for it. Getting back to the dashboard, we can also visit the Courses section, where there are self-paced courses that you may complete as you see convenient. Let's have a look at what's inside one of these. For example, Competency Mapping. After clicking on Start Course, you can start viewing the course. At the top, you'll find the course guideline, followed by the first video in the module. All the videos in the program have been recorded in 4K resolution, though playback will initially be at a resolution that your browser deems most appropriate for your current bandwidth. If need be, you can alter the playback quality here. Let's just have a quick look at the first few seconds of this one.
Hello and welcome to the CHRMP Learning System. CHRMP is Certified Human Resource Management Professional.
After each numbered episode, you'll find a quiz to help you gauge the extent to which you've understood the concepts you've been taught. Let me deliberately choose the wrong answer here. As you can see, when you get an answer wrong, you'll be told you're incorrect, and you'll also be asked to attempt the question again. This is an active way to help you revise what you have learned. While you're working your way through the various learning modules, if you have any questions, you can reach out to our trainers directly by way of the comments section below any video. Getting back to the dashboard, we can next access events from the side menu and the menu bar in top, where you will be updated about the events coming up and get all the details about the event. Next, we can visit the Resource Hub, which is also accessible from both menus. The Resource Hub is where you can access all the resources you need through the course of your certification, which includes a range of templates, forms, guidelines, and recordings. For example, here is a recorded masterclass on digital HR. Let's take a look. The Resource Hub is full of recorded masterclasses and has more than 200 hours of content for your continuing education. The recordings of all the events that are conducted throughout the year are uploaded onto the Resource Hub. The My Forums section in the menu accessible on the left will take you to the forums and discussions that you are part of, or that you have initiated. You can join these discussions through the Forums section in the menu on the top. This is a good platform for you to engage in debates and questions that you have with your fellow community members. From the menu on the left, you can also access a section called All Members, where you can browse through the existing members of our HR community and expand your connections. You can also view your existing connections. You can see the profile of other members, add them as connections, and also send them private messages to build your network. If you need assistance, you can access the Support Center from the menu on the left. Here, you can find numerous articles that can help you resolve any issues or concerns you may have. You can also raise a ticket under various categories, which will be resolved in 24 hours. In the My Groups section in the menu on the left, you can view which groups you are a part of, and you can see which groups you have been invited to join. You can also access CHRMP Academy through a mobile or a tablet via the app or the browser. Lastly, there are options to view details of your membership and the option to log out of your account. You will also see the option to renew your membership before it expires. We hope this short walkthrough has helped you understand the layout of the CHRMP Academy, and we look forward to learning with you and assisting you further in any way we can help.